Good morning, guys. It is day 5 of our travels and we stayed at Tiny Tiger's hostel last night, had a good rest, woke up at around 9 o'clock, had breakfast. We decided to go and get a gym this morning. I think we both are in need of a good exercise or sweat session, so there's a really nice one about 950 meters away from here, so we're just going to take a walk there, get in a good session, and then we're going to plan the rest of the day from there.
Leah kitted in a gymway. And this is just to show you guys a bit of the area we are staying in. Our playground for probably the next hour or so. We'll see equipment wise what they have. You can see Leah says she thinks it's about 100,000 dong for a day pass, so let's see what it's like. Seems like there's actually some pretty cool, decent equipment. How do you feel?
Feeling good, feeling positive.
Jess, how we're about to grab a nice smoothie.
Protein smoothie, and then we're gonna head back.
We have to decide which little more interesting flavors they have. So Leah said perhaps.
Can we get one medium blueberry wheat smoothie? Yeah.
Alpine Coaster here in Dalat, so we'll go and see how the activity is and if we actually do it. There is apparently a zip line as well, so we might look into that, and then from there on we will see if we can grab a lift or something to go and see some waterfalls. The town here is so charming and beautiful. Has a total different feel to all of the other places we have been here in Vietnam.
A wild Leah making sure the social media following gets all the content they need. Go and follow her if you don't on Instagram and TikTok. TikTok is currently blowing up, so you don't want to miss any of the information she does give there, so make sure to go and follow her. That's a wild Leah. So we are currently vlogging on the GoPro. Leah, how was the experience?
It was so much fun. It was so beautiful just to be surrounded by the trees, that fast rush of like having to go fast, having to slow down. It wasn't something I would say that was chilled. It was actually pretty, you go quite fast. But we're now down here at the waterfall and it is just, it's magical. So just as we started really getting into taking footage of the waterfalls, it started to rain. So luckily, big brain energy, we packed in our rain jackets. So we're going to put that on now, and then we're going to carrying on seeing what this place has to offer. I do think the coaster back, because we do have a return ticket, is going to be on hold. So they did say like there is going to be a bit of a delay because they do close it down when it rains. So yeah, let's see what the situation is, but we are sorted.
Rain jacket.
Some days it's just meant to sit, eat chips, watch people put rain jackets on and enjoy the rain. chocolate chips.
So I asked Leah to make some videos for us because we feel like we don't have that much just random videos on the phone. Next thing you know, she's just taking selfies of herself. We have plenty of those. But anyways,
it's pretty high up here. Let's quickly show you. It's gonna be
so much
epic.
fun, so much fun.
It's so worthwhile to come and check this out.
We have just finished our adventure day here at the park, and that's the photo we got. Super nice. Let's see where we are heading off next. I do think Leah has an idea or two. So tell us a bit more, Leah.
I have an idea, and that is to follow the compass.
Anyways.
We have arrived at one more cafe. It's kind of a hidden tucked away gem, but apparently from what we've heard, really good food, just a very nice vibey ambiance. So I'm really hoping that's what we get out of it. Arne is busy taking some photos of the street now, just capturing the way of life here in the Dalat city. And then yeah, we're probably gonna get a nice warm coffee and maybe something to eat, and then we'll take it from there. Eventful day. We came back to the hostel, we chilled a bit, chatted to some dorm mates. We are now on our way to go grab some dinner at a recommended Vietnamese restaurant, and then afterwards we're going to the Maze Bar. We were saying, like, we don't have nice clothes, like especially warmer clothes. We do have nice cute summer outfits, but it's nicer to dress up a bit at night, but I guess that's the backpacking life. But we're both saying we wish we packed in like just something nicer, because it kind of looks like we going out in our PJs. Yeah.
And my pants show my pajama pants.
PJ pants. It's actually really nice linen pants, but I think with the hoodie it's giving pajamas. It's giving, and I'm also wearing, you know, like a type of...
But she did buy these pants yesterday, look.
got these pants yesterday for 130,000 Vietnamese dong, which equates to about 90 bucks. So super comfortable. I think it's doing the job to keep me warm because it is like quite chilly at night. But yeah, we might go get a nice cute little sweater depending on how much it is. But yeah, let's go get some food and then we go check out the famous maze ball.
So our food has just arrived. It is like a do-it-yourself spring roll, so we'll figure it out now.
Hey, we had a really good meal. Both had some pho.
Amazing chicken
really
pho.
good chicken
And
pho.
we had you'll see on the video,
Rolled up some DIY spring rolls.
which was so much fun.
Yeah, we're now at the famous maze bar of Dalat. So yeah, it looks super cool. They're just the entrance itself. So we're gonna go and see what the vibe is like, explore a bit through the maze, maybe get 1 or 2 drinks, and then enjoy the rest of the evening further.
Goodbye. See you in the next one.